Every language has a variety of dialects, and English is no different. We know that there's British English, American English, Indian English, Australian English, and even South African English, and they all have their own Oxford University dictionaries. Today we will focus on British English, and we will look at five of the most widely used British English sayings. Understanding sayings help us to improve our English, help us to achieve native level English. The first one, to break a leg. It sounds very painful, but actually it's a way of wishing someone good luck. This is often used in the performing arts and is thought to have originated from the belief that wishing someone good luck directly would bring bad luck. So we say, break a leg. Break a leg on your big presentation. I am sure it will be a great success. Second one is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet, and it looks and sounds very uncomfortable, and it is meant to be because it says to face a difficult or unpleasant situation head on and to endure the pain or discomfort that comes with it, such as training for a marathon. Here is the example in a sentence. I know you're nervous about giving the presentation, but you just need to bite the bullet and do it. Third one, the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court is a saying that we get from the world of sports, from tennis, and it means it is up to you to take a decision. The ball is in your court. It is up to you to take a decision. Here is our sentence. I've given you all the information you need. The ball is in your court now, so let me know what you decide. Kill two birds with one stone. Killing two birds with one stone sounds very terrible, but actually it means that we can accomplish two tasks at once with a single action. The mother taking care of her baby while also calculating perhaps the household finances. Accomplishing two tasks at one. Chatting to my friend while drinking coffee lets me kill two birds with one stone. The last one that we will deal with today, you can't judge a book by its cover. Sometimes the cover design is very boring, but the book may be very interesting. Same principle applies to people. Appearances can be deceiving, and you should not make assumptions based solely on outward looks. We all know the famous story, right, of Cinderella. Cinderella, who was a kitchen girl and then became a princess. You can't judge a book by its cover. Our sentence, I wasn't sure about Jane when I first met her because she seemed reserved. But now I know she's a great person. You can't judge a book by its cover. Let's review five sayings, British English, that we learned today. Break a leg, bite the bullet, the ball is in your court, kill two birds with one stone, and don't judge a book by its cover. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again on my channel. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.